Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am going to be showing you how I made these cute, simple nails. I wanted something very simple yet cute at the same time, and I came up with this. So, quick, if you guys haven't noticed, I am sick, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a full voiceover on the whole video. But yeah, I'm sick, so I don't want to annoy you guys with my voice. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I'm going to put all the products down in the description so you guys can buy if you guys are interested in the products that I used. So here I'm just showing you guys, I'm putting a second layer of the nude nail polish, and once I cured it, I'm putting the Nailart top coat, and then I'm going to be curing it, and I'm going to start the rose or flower nail art. So here I was trying to show you guys how I did the flowers. Basically I drew 3 circles next to each other, and one of the circles was bigger than the other 2. And then on the inside I drew C's, like the letter C. And I wish I could have shown you guys. But yeah, I'm going to stop using my GoPro to make these videos and just use my phone, because I don't want the GoPro to keep messing up my videos. So yeah, now here I'm going to just use this green for the leaves, the green leaves, as you guys can see. Also, I do realize that the video is a little blurry. Well, not a little, it's kind of very blurry. And the next video that I'm going to post, I started using the GoPro and the same thing was happening. So GoPros are not for nail tutorials. So then I ended up using the phone, and that worked a lot better. So the next video, it's going to be a lot better, but hopefully you guys can see at least what I'm doing and get an idea of what you guys can do if you want to recreate this look. So now I'm just doing or putting the top coat and curing it, and then starting the pointer fingernail. I'm just going to be putting some rhinestones on it, not too many, because like I said, I wanted this nail set to be a lot more simple. As always, I'm using the top coat from Nailart to place my rhinestones, or like to glue them. And I find that this works well for me for now until I find a better glue. If you guys can recommend me any, put it down below in the comments. We are almost done. Once I place the other two rhinestones, that will be it for this nail set. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Next week's, or not next week, I'm probably going to post it in a couple of days. It's going to be Christmas nail set that I'm obsessed with. They came out so good. And hopefully you guys enjoy it as well. So can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.